Here's how to change video background in CapCut. So the first step is to import your video and then add it to your timeline. So as you can see, we have this pink background. So we just have to select the video on our timeline and then click on remove background. Now from here, we just have to use auto removal and then wait until the AI loads up, and basically it will analyze the video and remove the background. So as you can see, the background is removed. Now we can select it and add a stroke. So if you want, you can add some effects. And then what we can do also is that we can change the color of the background. So we can select the video, then go to basic and then scroll down until we see canvas. Click on canvas, and then from here we can choose blur, color, pattern, or brand backgrounds. So if I choose color, I can pick a color from here and I can change it to something different. Now what we can do also is that we can import another video. So I'm going to use some free videos from CapCut. So let's take this one as an example. And then what we can do, we can put this on top and then we can resize this and use it as the background. So basically that's all you have to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.